Hi, I'm Cherylin, and today we're going to be replacing a drive motor and a Maytag washer. You may need to replace your drive motor if your washer stops intermittently or it doesn't start at all. This repair should take about 15 to 20 minutes. For this repair, we're going to need 4 tools: tape, a pair of channel lock pliers, 5/16 nut driver, and a 1/2 inch nut driver. When working with washers, it's always helpful to have a towel handy for excess water as well. If you don't already have a new drive motor, they are available for purchase on our website. Before repairing your washer, make sure that you disconnect it from its power source and also turn off the hot and cold water. We'll start by unhooking the drain hose and unscrewing the hoses from the washer. Remove the drain hose. Be careful of any excess water that might still be in the hose. Use your channel locks to loosen the hoses from the back of the washer. And then you can unscrew them by hand. Next, we can lay down a towel to lay down the washer, just so it doesn't get scratched up. Now we can very carefully lay down the washer. If you do have someone who can help you, I would recommend it. And just be very gentle. And we can work in the bottom. Now that we can access the bottom of the washer, we'll start by removing the pulley cover here. It is held in place by 2 5/16 screws, so we'll need our nut driver to remove those. This will remove the cover. Next, we can take off the pulley belt. Just pull and rotate until it comes off. Then disconnect the wire harness from the motor. Press the tab. There we go. Next, we'll remove the bottom bolt on the motor. The motor is heavy, so just beware when we're loosening these bolts. And you can remove the motor. And now we can insert our new motor. Make sure that the wire harness is at the top. Line up the screw holes. We'll start with the top bolt. Replug in the wire harness for the motor. Next, we can replace the belt. First wraps around the motor pulley. And then just guide it along the splush pulley. It's going to be a little bit tight. Just keep going until it gets on there. Turn it a couple times to make sure it's properly lined up. And replace the cover. And now we can tip up the washer. Finally, we can reconnect the hoses. And we can turn on the water, plug it in, and give it a test run. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video very helpful. If you don't have any of the OEM parts and tools that you saw in the video, all of those products are available for purchase on our website. Our goal is to show that the everyday person is completely capable of cheap and easy household appliance repairs. So please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and maybe even show this video to a friend in need.